What's that?
All right. Looks like we're doing overtime here.
Everybody get up, guys.
Official's gonna go consult with Marty.
Remember all those 6 inches you've been doing? All right, come on. Stay up. Fourth quarter, it's tied. Actually, it's overtime.
Yeah. Wait, is this overtime different because usually it's 15 minutes?
I don't know. I don't know what the rules are. Does each team get a chance for the ball, or is it just...
We don't know what the rules are yet.
That would make sense. That's what I've had like a week here. That's nice. Like the scrimmage field from yesterday. I was thinking Rock Mountain.
Let me get my shoe.
Okay, we have a score in overtime. I don't know what that means yet, but that'd make the score 31-25. Looks like we're going for an extra point here. Missed extra point. Alright, now it's their turn to try. Encroachment on the defense in the last play, so the ball got moved up a little bit. Scored.
Let's go! Come on, Falcons!
Good job, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Get the ball.
Watch the ball, Diego.
I guess that means the game's over. See a final score of 32-31.